our channel. It's Saturday 23rd September. टाइम हुआ है 5 PM. हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक सीनिक नेचर ट्रेल एक्सप्लोर करने. ऑल्दो बहुत लेट है ट्रेल स्टार्ट करने के लिए, बट आज वी हैड अ वेरी लेजी सैटरडे आफ्टरनून. लेकिन डे इतना सुंदर है, इट्स अ वार्म सनी डे, तो हम कैसे मिस कर सकते थे. और ऑफिशियली समर ओवर हो गई है. उसके बाद ऐसे वार्म डेज बहुत बहुत कम ही बचे हैं इस साल में. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. देखो फॉल भी शुरू हो गया है, इतना सुंदर लग रहा है बाहर.
And I'm looking for rocks. I'm looking for copper, iron, and coal.
You wanna collect all of them?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So guys, we finally reached to this place. It took around 30 minutes. तो ये पार्क का नाम है हिल्टन फॉल्स. यहाँ पे डिफरेंट ट्रेल्स है. मैं मैप अटैच कर दूँगी.
It's not a conservation area. It is likely that this area will be part of a tourist operation and closed to the public.
Yes, we can. Guys, look at this beautiful view. The trail has just started और already इतना scenic है यहाँ पे.
If you ever plan to come here,
Look at that tree. I don't know if you can see in the camera. उस tree का already color, सारी leaves already red हो चुकी हैं.
So I get to hold the camera now. It's really good. It's actually hard to control this. So I can show you that river again. It's really nice. I gotta catch up. I'm running right now. There's some people swimming in that river. I don't know why. So, it's guys, it's actually harder to control the camera than you think. Okay, so don't blame me. We're about to head in the dark spot. I'm sure that I'll find rocks. So yeah. Oh wait. Our first rock, iron. Let's put it in the bag. As you can see, it's in the bag. this iron, so I'm gonna put it in the bag. And I also got some leaves, but that was off camera. So let's start cooking. So I'm on the lookout for coal and copper. That's all the types of rocks we need. 1 or 2. And then we're going to be collecting these. Are you seeing this? This is so good. Yeah, so you see that mountain? Wait, I don't know if you can see, but if you see that mountain, that's where we were before. Then we came a long way, and now we're next to the river. Because from that mountain, I saw the river. So yeah, that's actually kind of cool. So let's see what my mom and dad are doing. They're just checking the map. Okay? Finally, we can start
Yes,
eating.
look at that bonfire. We should spend some time there.
Yeah, I saw it before. Right guys, we finally made it to the bonfire. We weren't expecting this, but we just thought we could relax. I just got 2 Kit Kats. They were really good. And yeah, we're gonna start moving. So let's start that. We're at the fall. I know it's very loud, so you probably can't hear my voice properly. So my dad is just there. He just went from this fence because we are allowed to go there. Let me just show him to you. Oh, I can't zoom in. That's fine. You can see him from here. So he's filming with his phone and he has my backpack just to see if you want to see the fall. If there it is. Okay. And then, yeah. Can I have 1 Kit Kat bar, please?
No, you already had 2.
I know.
Yeah.
Please?
No.
Fine. Can I say, guys, I'm going to show you me eat the Kit Kat bar. So there's my dad. He did crazy stuff. So I'll just tell you the steps how my dad went. So he put his foot here. Okay. Then he used the rocks as his steps, and then he slipped down carefully, and now he's there. So he's using his phone to film the waterfall. I think I mentioned that. I just wanted to mention again. So yeah, I guess this is towel. He's looking here. Oh, he's not. Now he is. So the gimbal's battery is that? Yeah, guys, look. I think it's leaking from the rocks, but I do not know how nature does this. It makes waterfall. Like, that's crazy. So yeah, he's coming back. He's retracing his steps, and then that's a basketball keychain, which we got from Niagara Falls, and you just. Guys, I just made a rhythm, so it goes like this.
Guys, we are now heading back. It's almost dark. हम late है वैसे, but we still trying to make our way through the shortest.
Hey guys, I'm actually really scared. It's really dark because wait 1 minute. So the skies. So it's being a sunset. So I'm going to stop filming because guys, we're almost there. You can see the sunset. Let's actually go. Oh, the map also is there. So that's trails. I'm just going to let you see this if you're interested. Okay, that's enough. So there is the parking. Let's actually go. Oh wait, that's not the parking, that's the entrance. Let's actually freaking go. We got here. And can you see how? So, yeah. Wait, let me just, actually never mind, I won't do that. Look at this. Look at the sky. Oh yes, let's go. We're at the park. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.